If you've got a man cave or a bar, this is a pretty cool little item. You can turn a bottle into a lamp pretty easily. Just now, it doesn't screw on. It's got these rubbery things in here, and it just presses down onto the bottle. You'll get a different look if you have the bottle open versus if you have the cap on, because obviously a light will shine down into the bottle more if the cap's off. But really cool, and throughout this video you've seen some of the bottles, but I like this thing. You can also adjust the brightness. It's rechargeable, so you can charge it up. But great for a man cave, great for Halloween parties if you got spooky bottles to put it on the top of or something like that. Only thing is, it won't work on like a bottle that has no neck, because obviously this presses down onto the neck. So you want to make sure that whatever bottle you're using has enough neck to it to get this pressed down onto, which is definitely the majority of most bottles.